There was a time when my body ceased to obey me, when simple gestures that most take for granted became impossible. The body grew frail, silent, unresponsive. But the mind, untouched by paralysis, expanded. In that stillness I discovered a truth that will forever liberate you from laziness. Energy is not something you possess, it is something you create. Consider the universe. It was born in a moment of unimaginable energy, a singular spark that set galaxies spinning, stars burning, and worlds forming. Every atom in your body was forged in the hearts of those stars. You are not a mere bystander in this cosmic dance, you are its heir. To be lazy is to deny your inheritance, to turn away from the fire that created you. When I was told my body would fail me, that my time was limited, I could have surrendered. I could have let the weight of that prognosis crush me. Instead, I chose to explore. I chose to question. I chose to live. And so must you. Laziness is not a trait, it is a habit, a pattern etched into your neural pathways by repetition. But the brain is not fixed, it is a living, malleable thing, a supercomputer capable of rewriting its own code. Science tells us that every action you take, every choice you make, carves new pathways in your mind. When you rise early, when you push through discomfort, when you pursue a goal with relentless curiosity, you are not just acting, you are reshaping who you are. The laws of physics do not bend for the idle. Momentum is built through motion, not stillness. Begin now, with one small step, and let that motion ripple outward, like a wave across the fabric of space-time. You may think laziness is a lack of energy, but energy is not something you have, it is something you create. When I gazed into the mathematics of black holes, I found not just equations but a truth. Even in the darkest voids, there is light. Hawking radiation, the faint glow escaping the event horizon, proves that nothing is truly lost. Your energy, too, is not lost, it is waiting. It is born in the choices you make, to rise when you wish to stay down, to learn when you wish to scroll, to create when you wish to consume. The shower, that quiet moment when your mind drifts and ideas spark, is no accident. It is your brain in a theta state, a realm of creativity where solutions emerge from the chaos. Seek those moments deliberately. Turn off the screens, step away from the noise, and let your mind wander the stars. The world will pull you toward distraction. It is designed to do so. Algorithms know your habits better than you do, feeding you endless streams of triviality to keep you tethered to your phone. But you are not a machine to be programmed. You are a force, a mind capable of outthinking the very systems that seek to control you. In the morning, when your brain is most suggestible, in that alpha state of relaxed awareness, you are at a crossroads. Pick up your phone, and you hand your day to others. Every notification, every email, every fleeting post rewires you for reactivity. Instead, choose silence. Choose intention. Write down 3 things you will do today, 3 steps toward your own galaxy of purpose. Let those choices anchor you, like a star anchors its planets. Discipline is not a gift, it is a muscle. When my voice was taken, when my hands could no longer write, I did not stop. I found new ways to speak, to share, to discover. Each challenge was an equation to solve, each limitation a puzzle to unravel. You too. Face obstacles not of the body, perhaps, but of the mind, of circumstance, of doubt. Do not let them define you. The universe does not reward those who wait for perfect conditions. Planets form in the chaos of nebulae, diamonds are born under crushing pressure. Your greatest achievements will come not when life is easy, but when you choose to act despite its weight. The forgetting curve is real. within 2 days. 80% of what you learn fades unless you act to retain it. Knowledge is not power, it is potential. Power comes when you apply it, when you turn nouns into verbs. You do not have focus. You practice focusing. You do not have motivation. You build it through action. You do not have creativity. You cultivate it by daring to create. When I unraveled the mysteries of singularities, it was not because I was gifted, it was because I persisted. I asked questions no one else asked. I worked when others rested. You, too, can ask the unasked question, take the untaken step. Start small, but start now. Write a sentence. Run a mile. Learn a fact. Each act is a rebellion against laziness, a declaration that you are alive. The thermostat of your life is in your hands. A thermometer reacts to the world, shifting with every external change. A thermostat sets the temperature, commanding the environment to rise to its standard. Be a thermostat. Set your vision, your goals, your purpose, and let the world align to you. The happiest minds are those that feel in control not of others, but of themselves. When I looked at the stars, I did not see a universe too vast to conquer. I saw a challenge, a call to understand, to grow, to become more. You are no different. Your mind is a supercomputer, more complex than any machine, more powerful than any star. Study it. Know it. Use it. Laziness is the entropy of the soul, the slow decay of potential. But entropy is not your destiny. You are a force of creation, a spark in the cosmic dark. Every morning you stand at the edge of a new universe. Will you drift, or will you soar? I spent my life chasing the secrets of the cosmos, not because I was fearless, but because I refused to let fear or laziness define me. You too can refuse. You can choose to move, to create, to become. The universe is vast, but so is your potential. Defy the pull of idleness. Rise, act, create. You will never be lazy again.